Hi there, how's it going? Welcome back to the BimmerTech channel. My name's Nathan, and today we're checking out an awesome Combox upgrade for your CIC-based iDrive system in your BMW. Let's check it out. So this is it. This is what we're talking about today. This is the Combox upgrade from BimmerTech. Now the Combox is essentially a module that you can install that's going to offer you enhanced Bluetooth and USB compatibility in your car. This is for CIC-based iDrive systems, and it can be installed in cars that already have Bluetooth or USB functionality, or cars that don't have it at all. So some cars from BMW actually came from the factory OEM with the Combox upgrade. So this car, which is a 2011 535i, has a Combox, so the customer simply had to schedule a coding session with BimmerTech to activate these enhanced Bluetooth and USB features. If your car doesn't have a Combox from the factory, it's a super simple process to install, and the BimmerTech kit comes with everything you're going to need, like the BMW Combox module itself, any wiring adapters you'll need, as well as a coding cable for after you're done installing. So before the Combox upgrade in your BMW, the USB functionality is going to be pretty limited, and you're actually even going to have to use a special BMW USB cable to hook your phone up. After the upgrade, you can use pretty much any USB cable, like a regular white Apple charging cable, to charge your phone as well as play music through the system. It's a lot more convenient to be able to use any USB rather than having to source a specific BMW cable just to play music. Also, the BMW specific cable that you're limited to with the stock USB integration is not really going to have the best sound quality possible because it's pretty much just an auxiliary cord with charging capability. After the upgrade, you're actually getting digital sound transfer through the USB rather than just auxiliary sound. When you're using Bluetooth connection for music, you can select specific music on your phone, but will be limited to next song and previous song options on your iDrive screen. However, once you plug your phone in through the enhanced USB, you're going to have full access to choose any song or playlist through the screen itself, as well as being able to see the artist's album artwork on the iDrive screen. With new enhanced Bluetooth, you can actually now pair more than one phone to the car. You can receive calls from multiple devices within the car, but outgoing calls have to be made through the primary phone that's selected in your BMW menu. So the USB and Bluetooth modules that come on these cars originally are called the TCU or the MULF module, and your car can come with one or the other or both depending on the options. But for pretty much every model, the Combox is going to be a plug-and-play install. On this 2011 535i, the Combox module is located in the trunk behind some trim on the left side. This customer actually has an aftermarket amp, so the Combox is located behind that. If you're upgrading to the Combox system and your car already has basic USB functionality, it's going to be a really easy plug-and-play install for you. And even if your car doesn't have any USB functionality from the factory, all you're going to need to do is run a little wiring just to install the new USB port that you're going to use in the interior of the car. So after you've successfully installed your Combox module in your BMW, just make sure to contact BimmerTech to schedule a coding session so that they can unlock all the enhanced Bluetooth and USB features that are available with the module. If you're curious to see what Bluetooth features and options are available when you pair your phone to your BMW, you can always go to bmw.com/Bluetooth for more info, and we'll include that link in the description below. Thanks so much for watching the video. I hope this was able to help you understand what exactly the Combox is for and why it's a great option if you have a CIC-based iDrive system and you feel like you might not be getting the most out of your USB connection as well as your Bluetooth options. If you liked the video, be sure to subscribe to the channel for more content, and please hit the bell icon so you always know when BimmerTech uploads a new video. Once again, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.